Hello, my name is Josef Loidl, and since more than 15 years I'm working now in ANDRITZ in the execution of exhaust gas treatment plants in the function as a project engineering manager and project manager. ANDRITZ has a very long tradition in realization of exhaust gas treatment plants, and during the last years ANDRITZ especially increased its engagement in the maritime industry. Decades of experience and know-how forms a perfect foundation in the execution of such exhaust gas cleaning systems. A big benefit, especially for the execution of such EGCS, is the global structure of ANDRITZ with offices and workshops all over the world. This comprises not only a strong and well-experienced design and process department in Europe, but also powerful construction departments in India and well-established and effective manufacturing workshops in China. During our long-term presence in the exhaust gas treatment industry, ANDRITZ also established a very wide and valuable network of partners and suppliers, allowing ANDRITZ to deliver even more complex projects by one hand. And in addition, we are able to design and supply a wide range of own manufactured equipment, starting with scrubbers and filters, pumps, separation equipment, but also our own automation and process control solutions and much more. Based on such setup, ANDRITZ is able to step into any challenge the business will hold ready. This includes not only the 3D scanning and feasibility study in case of retrofit projects, but also integration design, construction and manufacturing of scrubbers, delivery of complete EGCS equipment, as well as conducting commissioning and sea trial service. Only on such strong basis it was possible to execute a tailor-made EGCS for the T-line in about 4 months from scratch up to the delivery of the scrubber, which was not only very challenging but also being one of my personal highlights within this business. And since the life of our system just starts when the projects end, we can support our clients further on due to our strong and global service network of ANDRITZ. Up-to-date communication and process tools allowing evaluation of operational issues online and just in time all over the world. And during the last year, everyone knows how important such possibility became when personal traveling is strongly restricted. So if you are interested in our engagement in the maritime industry, visit our website or give us your call. Thank you.